Welcome to Hytera Thailand. Hytera new office in the heart of Bangkok marks a new chapter in Thailand. With over 20 years of experience, Hytera continues delivering trusted professional communication solutions across industry. A new office is more than just a new space. It shows our commitment to Thai market and our confidence in the future here. When we move inside, we arrive at the showroom, one of the key space in our office. Hi, Peter.
In our showroom, we demonstrate the Hytera communication ecosystem. Each solution is tailored to meet the requirement of the specific industry. Through the live demonstrate and simulation, we make our partner better understanding our product and solution. Our goal is not just to showcase the product, but we make the solution that provide the better operational efficiency and make the communication reliability.
Just next to the showroom is the training room. Here, we regularly host dealer training, strategy discussion, and customer workshop. It's not just a meeting space, it is a hub for knowledge sharing and capability development. As we move along, this will showcases key projects we deliver across Thailand in sectors such as public safety, transportation, energy, and commercial industry. Each one reflects our experience in mission-critical communication. Hi, team. Behind every project is the team working right here. This is we collaborate, respond to challenges, and support our partner every day. Our team values are share the moment on the wall, reflect the spirits behind our work, reminding us that strong results come from teamwork. Here is the manager room. This is where key decisions and strategy direction for Thai operation are made. It's here that leadership guides the team, ensuring our project continue to deliver value to our partner.
Beyond planning and strategy, we bring ideas to life in our in-house studio. While the Plenty offers a cozy space to relax, recharge, and connect with colleagues.
Our new office reflects teamwork, innovation, and reliable communication solution in Thailand. We look forward to a new opportunity together.
Hytera Thailand, innovate for a better world.